Hello everyone, welcome to the HRM Genie channel, where we discuss everything related to human resource management. Today's topic is nature and components of human resources management. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the nature of human resources management. Basically, HRM is human focus, management function, dynamic, mutually oriented, continuous ongoing activity. The nature of HRM is dynamic and mutually oriented. It is an ongoing activity that focuses on human resources as the primary asset of an organization. The function of HRM is to manage the workforce of an organization through planning, organizing, directing and controlling their activities. Next, human resources management has several components. There are 6 components of HRM. They are human resource planning, recruitment and selection, performance management, training and development, employee management relation, management information system. And let's discuss each one of them. The first component is human resources planning. It is the process of identifying and anticipating the organization's workforce needs and requirements. HR planning helps to ensure that an organization has the right number of people with the right skills in the right place at the right time. The second component is recruitment and retention. Recruitment involves attracting and hiring the best candidates for available job positions. Retention focuses on retaining the best employees through the use of employee engagement programs and retention strategies. The third component is performance management. It is the process of setting performance goals for employees, assessing their performance, providing feedback, and developing their skills and abilities. The fourth component is training and development. It is a vital part of any organization to enhance the efficiency of employees and reach organizational goals. The fifth component is employee relations management. It is the process of managing relationships between employees and the organization. Employee relations management helps to create a positive work environment that is free from discrimination and harassment. The sixth and final component is management information system. It is the process of collecting, analyzing, and presenting data related to HRM activities. MIS provides managers with real-time information to make informed decisions. In conclusion, human resources management is a dynamic and mutually oriented ongoing activity that focuses on managing the workforce of an organization. The 5 components of HRM are human resources planning, recruitment and retention, performance management, employee relations management, and management information system. Thank you for watching this video on HRM Genie channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on human resource management.